Leadership and the Olympics have one thing in common. They both demand resilience. And the lessons that I've learned as an Olympian, I believe, can help you lead through challenges. Here's how I see resilience from the Olympics translating to the boardroom. 1, you see challenges as catalysts. Every twist and turn is actually an opportunity to adapt and grow. 2, focus on controllables. Your mindset and your actions are your greatest assets. Resilience isn't built in one single moment, it's built through habits. So prepare for challenges. Anticipation leads to confidence. Pause to reflect, very important, because clarity improves decision making. And you should celebrate small wins, man. Progress fuels momentum. When leaders embody resilience, they inspire their teams to adapt, innovate, and thrive, because resilience does turn challenges into opportunities. You see, resilience isn't just for the Olympics. It's for every leader, every single day. So build it, practice it, and lead with it. Keep on pushing.